Hey everybody, this is John with Build It Huge. I just heard from my sources about a new launch from Simon Greenhall. It's a software and training program named SocialCode. From what I gather, the software can help internet marketers create social posts, covers, stories, as well as memes using various done-for-you templates. Additionally, there's a drag and drop editor. Also included in the launch is some marketing training on how to get free traffic and followers on social media. So if you're having trouble promoting your offer on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you should check out SocialCode. I don't know much more than that at the moment, except that it's supposed to be released on October 3rd. So if you are just starting in internet marketing or even a full-time guru, SocialCode is one to look for. The front end price is supposed to be around $30, so it's definitely affordable.